Hey guys. What are you giggling at? Sorry I haven't been posting very much the last little while, but I've been busy buying a house. So check out this sweet house we bought. So it's got a nice big living room, nice brand new sliding glass door, big backyard where we had some trees chopped down. Gotta clean that up. Everything needs to be cleaned up. But yeah, let's go on a quick tour, shall we? So let's come in here. Here's the kitchen. Kind of messed up. And there's this scalping stuff. Look at this. Like, what? What? And it's all over the house. We're gonna get rid of that. Need to put in the stove, fix the fridge, fix that, fix up the kitchen. And then over here, we got master bedroom with some nasty carpet. Oh, here you go. Nice big pile of wood for the fireplace. Bathroom needs some updating. Tiny little shower. Can't even see it because it's so tiny. It's back here. That thing's tiny. So yeah, lots to do. Fixing it up. We already started some demo. Made a big mess of things. There used to be two knee walls. Oh, going backwards. A knee wall there and a knee wall over there. We took those out to open this room up, and then we're gonna refloor all this with some laminate. And we're also gonna take out all this carpet in the hallway and do that because we had some foundation repair done. So then this carpet got torn out as part of that. See the foundation repair? So everything's straight now, but then because of that, it cracked all the walls. So I gotta do some drywall, fix up the windows, replace this old ceiling fan. Lots to do, but it's gonna be exciting. And I'll bring you along for the journey. It's gonna be great. Here's another master back here. I think that one is the original master. And then this one is like a mother-in-law's quarters, possibly. Nice tiny little bathroom again. Same thing basically, tiny little shower. That needs to be fixed. Not much you can do there, but we'll make it nice. It'll be good. We got a little bedroom back there. And then I'll show you, check this out. Down here, more of this crap. All the way around, and it's part of the face frame. So we'll cut that out, trim it, make it look nice, paint it. I don't know what we're gonna do about this. A lot of mixed emotions about this countertop. Nice big mirror though, so that's nice. You can see, nice shower. So this is like triple big compared to the other bathrooms, which is nice. But up here, we'll have to do some tile work in here, fix and clean all that up, and then there's some pretty nasty drywall pieces that need to be fixed all on here. Ceiling's cracked up there, tiles falling out there, tiles cracked over, adjust the camera, there we go. Tiles cracked there and back there in the corner. But yeah, lots of fun stuff. So again, sorry for the lack of content the last little while. I've been busy with the holidays and buying this house. So we'll get it fixed up and I'll bring you along for the ride. Ciao for now, guys.